What's up guys, Paul Greenberg from the agency, and I'm super excited to show you our brand new listing. You might think we're in West Hollywood, but no, we're in Rosedale. This house was custom built from the bottom to the top and has some of the most insane features you could ever want in a house. You got smart glass throughout, the place is done by Control 4, the garage has a car lift and the walls are floating. There's too much to list, you gotta see it to believe it. So take a look around, let us know what you think, and we'll be talking soon.